Angry and welcome back to my channel. You guys might be wondering, girl, why are you in your kitchen? We're here for the apartment tour. But before we get into that video, I just wanted to give a quick thank you to our sponsor for today's video. Today's video is going to be sponsored by HelloFresh, and if you don't know what HelloFresh is, they're basically a meal kit. You guys can also use my code ANGRY80 to get $80 off your first box, which includes free shipping with a purchase. One of the main reasons why I like HelloFresh because I'm always trying to figure out what to cook. Like, that is like one of my biggest problems. I don't know what to make. I feel like I'm making the same thing every week. On the website, you can choose from a lot of different recipes per week. I actually hate grocery shopping, so this makes it really easy for me because all of the ingredients that I'm gonna need to make my meal are gonna be in this bag, and then it comes with the instructions on how to do everything. I decided to make the Italian pepper steak sandos for you guys today. It was super easy for me to follow the step-by-step instructions. I also liked how they labeled everything for me. Another great thing about HelloFresh is that they are committed to giving back. In 2019, they donated over 2.5 million meals to charity, and this year, because of the coronavirus crisis, they plan on stepping up their food donations even more. I really appreciate brands that try and help out in the community, so I think that is awesome. And after about 30 minutes, I'm finished cooking everything, and this is how our meal turned out. It looks and smells so amazing, and I'm so excited to try this.
This is literally so good.
Don't forget that you guys can use my code ANGRY80 for $80 off, including free shipping on your first box with purchase. Thank you guys so much for hanging in the kitchen with me, but now let's get right into my apartment tour. Hey guys, it's Angry and welcome to my apartment tour. Welcome to MTV Cribs. So here we have the front door. You know, it's pretty big, you know what I'm saying? And then you walk in and this is obviously a hallway. I really like this space because it's really big, you know what I'm saying? It's really big, you can do a lot of stuff in it. And then after you come from the hallway, you have this door right here, and this is just a coat closet, pretty basic stuff. Coat closet, some stuff is in here just because I am moving in. And then you keep backing up, and you have this big hallway. I've never had a hallway in my apartment before, so I'm really excited. Like, this hallway is literally huge. Like, I have arm span, I have wingspan here. And then you have this door, and then you have this door. So which one we're gonna open first? Let's go in this door. So this is my bathroom, and I really like this part of my apartment. This is the sink and the mirror. They have like a white and gray scheme kind of going on here, and obviously it's the toilet, and gray is just the toilet. But yeah, the floor is actually marble, as you can see. I really like the aspect of the bathroom. The only thing I don't like about this bathroom is that the door is covering like kind of half the bathroom, because right here we have my shower, and as you can see now, like the bathroom is actually pretty spacious. It's just like the door was hiding it. So have the shower, walk-in shower, nice and spacious, and then it's also marble in here. You have a nice shower head. Oh, I didn't even know you can change it.
Oh yeah.
I just taken a shower in here, and it feels pretty nice. I just have to get some shower storage and more storage in here, obviously, because I only have these, like this under the sink storage, and that's not enough for me. I have hair products and all this kind of stuff. So I'm thinking about putting some extra storage in the bathroom, and obviously some plants to kind of jazz it up a little bit. And then after you hit the bathroom, we're gonna walk across the hallway. This is the door here. We're gonna walk across the hallway into my bedroom. So come on in. This is a one-bedroom apartment. I'm only one person, and this is my room. I have so much space. I have so much space in here. You know what I'm saying? I can do a lot of stuff in this bedroom. It's really big. I don't know if you can tell it's really big, but if you can hear that there's an echo in here. And I feel like my favorite part about the room, other than the space, is the windows. The windows, if you can tell, look, you can raise it up. The windows, if you can tell, are really big. Like, look at me compared to the windows. Like, I'm gonna get so much light from in here. The windowsills are really big, so I'm gonna put plants and stuff on here. It's gonna be super dope. I feel like I can do so much stuff with this room. Like, it's gonna be crazy. Like, I can put my bed a lot of kind of ways. And then this is this, I don't know, a utility box. And then this is what my closet looks like. It's double doored, which I like. I just wish that the doors were white, you know, so like just look a little bit classier. But this is the closet space that I have. It's an okay amount of closet space. I just wish I had more because I have a ton of clothes, but since the room is big, I can get some kind of storage, so hopefully it won't be a problem. I feel like I can do some really side, maybe even put something right here, but I'll figure that out. Okay, so that's it for my room. Let's head out into the living room. So there's a little bit more hallway space here. I'm definitely gonna be putting a night light right here because your girl is kind of scared of the dark, and when I'm walking from my room to the bathroom, I don't want any problems. Right here is gonna be the washer and dryer. This apartment was built new, so they still have to bring these in for a couple of units, but this is where it's gonna be. And then, so you keep going a little bit further, and then you walk into the kitchen. This is my favorite part of the apartment. A super spacious kitchen. I really like the white color scheme of the kitchen, which is why I chose this. I'm the type of person that likes a really white, nice and clean space, so that when I put my own stuff in it, nothing is clashing like with colors and stuff. So let's get into the kitchen. First part of the kitchen, this is my fridge. You know what I'm saying? Just a regular fridge. There's some stuff in it because we've been here for one night. Nothing too crazy. The top, just a regular freezer, nothing too crazy. And then we start getting into the cabinets and stuff. New microwave, new stove. So I feel like my favorite part of the kitchen is the cabinets. There's so much cabinet space. Literally everything is, there's so much cabinet space. The cabinets are super tall. I don't even know if I'm gonna have enough stuff to fill up all the cabinets, but it is really nice to have. Like, there's literally so much cabinet space. Like, the cabinet space is super tall, which I really like as well. I can put a lot of stuff in here. And then my sink is just, what is this? Is this chrome? Oh, this is cool, it's like a sink. But I just have one sink instead of two, which I like. I feel like the one sink is kind of classier than the two sink. No shade to anybody with two sink at home. And then the light switches that just operate this stuff. And I feel like my dishwasher is pretty cool. It's off right now. I really like how the kitchen is super spacious. I just feel like there's so much space in here. And then if you thought I didn't have enough cabinet space before, I have a whole island. I have a whole island full of cabinet space. And then not only do I have a lot of cabinet space, I have soft close drawers. Where do you see that at? Where do you see that? All the drawers do that. Look. Even the cabinets up here do the same thing. They're all soft close. I just really like that a lot. Alright, so there's a light right here above the fridge, which I like. Like, this place at night looks really good. And then there's two hanging lights above my island, which I really like. And then one of my favorite things about this kitchen is that the lights go on under the cabinets. That was the light. Okay. The lights go on under the cabinets. There are 3 lights that go on under these cabinets, and at nighttime it just looks so good. And then once you leave the kitchen, you walk into the living room right here. This is pretty spacious as well. The apartment is this many square feet. I think it's like 700 something square feet. I'm just gonna put it up on the screen. It's a lot of space for me, one person, and I just feel like I can do so much with this living room. The ceilings are high, the windows are high. I like how I have 3 windows in this space. I have this window right here, so I get light facing the kitchen, and then I have this window right here, so I get light facing that wall. And then I also, which I didn't show you guys before, I also have a window in my kitchen. I've never had that anywhere that I've gone, and I feel like, I don't know if that's rare, but I don't know, I just like that a lot because I feel like it brings a lot of light into my kitchen space. So in the morning when I'm making breakfast, filming videos for you guys, I'm gonna be able to film it correctly. And yeah. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this apartment tour. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to me, or anyone who just watches my videos in general. I wouldn't be where I am today without you guys. So thank you guys so much for following me on my journey. The journey is not over, it's just freaking beginning. You know we're here to stay, gang. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and now that it's over, it's time to go. So it's time to go. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.